Okay, you guys, today I feel like it's gonna be a big one because it's from Sephora and they emphasize that it's a beauty junkie. So her name's Hayley. Are you guys ready to see what I'm
Let's check
thinking
it out.
is gonna be scary?
Let's check it out.
Okay.
Hi there, my name is Hayley Himmelman. This is my beautiful sunroom that has this incredible view of Echo Park Lake.
Oh, gorgeous.
Because of the brand collabs that I work with, there's just like a lot of items that I haven't even like gotten a chance to use yet.
Because she has so much room, it's just accumulated so much stuff.
There's a bunch of like random like brow and eye makeup in here, some highlighters. And again, I haven't used any of this.
How long is this one gonna take us? This doesn't really...
This is a lot.
As you can tell from my collection, it's just like so overwhelming. I think it would help me like mentally and emotionally to just have like a really like beautiful, organized space for myself. And then this is a bag full of makeup products that I've gotten from brands recently that I haven't even gotten to use yet.
We're gonna need a lot of supplies for this
But
one.
I feel like a lot of this she keeps saying, I don't use it. So let's keep that in mind when we edit. We can make that work.
I feel confident. I think we got this.
I just want to dive in.
I think we're
Should we
good.
go meet her?
Let's get it.
Okay.
Hi! How are you?
Are you excited for today?
I'm so excited. My sunroom is a mess, so I can't wait for you guys to help me with it.
Is there anything you're like super nervous about today?
I will say I can get sentimental about the weirdest little thing.
I hear that.
So you guys might be like, throw that out, and I might be like,
It won't be super scary. I'll kind of help you guide you through. So like guiding you through, asking you questions like, do you really need this? But I will say the more we get rid of, sometimes the better it looks. And the more we
And the
have
better
to
you
work with.
feel.
Yes. Okay, are we ready?
I'm so ready.
All right, let's go check it
Show
out.
us the way.
Okay.
Yay!
Perfect.
Wow! Holy cow.
Kind of all over the place. You know, I've kind of tried to organize stuff, but it's actually like not organized at all.
We can definitely work with this space. I will edit with you. I'll have Bryce and Sophia start to put everything in categories. I like to go category at a time so that we're not like thinking about like blush, then bronzer, then back to blush.
Perfect.
We'll just keep it clean and simple.
Love it.
And let's get into it.
Sounds good.
Yay! Good plan.
So you want to change your products?
Cozy on the floor.
Let's do it.
What's your like everyday
Natural, glowy, dewy, like a no makeup look.
What are like 5 brands that you're like, okay, I have to pack my suitcase. These 5 brands have to be in it, or I'm gonna like freak out.
Whenever I shop, I go to Sephora, and I'm just like asking the salespeople for their recommendations for things.
I love
So-
a recommendation from somebody.
Same. I don't really even go into it thinking like what brands do I like. It's more
Okay.
about what product I like from what specific brand. It can vary what brand they're from, and it's never
Got
like
it.
all from one brand.
Okay, I really like that.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a yes pile, a no pile, and then we will do the maybe. These seem like duplicates. Some makeup remover pads.
Yes, exactly. But why would I get rid of those?
So you could use these, let's say these are what you use to travel. We could keep one in like your main skincare, and if we run out of room, we'll create a backstock category for you. But it's kind of like instead of going to the store, you just go to your backstock.
Perfect.
Perfect? Okay. This is a
A toner.
hydrating toner.
Love a toner. I think I have like multiple though, so like I'm down to
Get rid of?
or a maybe.
Let's say we have 10 toners.
Yeah.
If you're like, okay, I wouldn't think about 7 of these toners,
Yeah.
that's a sign to get rid of it.
Got it.
Okay?
Got it.
Hey, what are we talking about in here?
Just that clearance toner, because I have a lot of toners.
You do have a lot of toners, like at least 8. Do you know if your new boo thing's into skincare?
You have a boyfriend?
Oh my god. Well,
sorta, kinda?
I've just been dating someone for like a month.
so it's new.
It's very new. We're going to Vegas tomorrow.
Oh.
What has dating life been for you in LA?
Just so single for like many, many, many years.
Same, I've been single for 4 years now, but like I don't know what it is about Los Angeles that feels impossible.
What is this?
I don't know.
You're like, it's a wig?
It's like a braid,
braid?
that I wore for this like shoot one.
Honestly, could I pull this off? Like a
Oh
really
look,
long,
that's so
like-
pretty. Yeah, you look like a princess. Oh, we could keep that for Bryce.
We
totally.
could. We could.
Yeah.
We now have a. Did you realize that we now have a Bryce pile? We have
Yeah, we have a Bryce held this.
lips for Bryce to try,
Yeah,
hair for Bryce to try.
Yeah, totally.
I need to see a before photo.
Because
to, like,
I literally,
understand like what
I
we
was,
did.
oh,
Hello.
come on in.
Oh my god.
Take a look at that.
Oh my god, it looks like a store in here.
love when people say that it looks like a store because that's literally what we go for. It's like I want you to feel like you're walking into like your personalized Sephora.
So
Like, that's
Like I feel like I'm like gonna shop around. I'm like,
obviously everything's labeled. This is like hair products and your brushes. Yeah, so like that's just.
I love it.
So we have everything here, like all your travel to-goes. Yes, and then I was obsessed also with this sunglass. I know it's not makeup, but I thought that looked so cute.
It's so cute.
Everything is labeled, so it should be maintainable.
I'm
and you can
obsessed.
kind of change this around because these actually all stack, which is really nice.
Yeah,
so like
move it
if
however
you
works
decide
for
like,
you.
I kind of want this over here, I want a different stack this, let's say you replace the shelf, like you can always mix and match.
did I miss him putting on the lip plumper in the hair thing?
No,
Oh,
we
it's
never
not
talked
happening.
about
Yeah,
that.
no.
You never. You can do the instructions. 'Cause
Wait,
I've never
how
seen
does
this
this even
before.
go on?
On the top of the hair.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
Yeah.
Is that
Oh my god.
it? I feel so good.
And the final touch.
But what the hell
You
is
ready?
this? What am I gonna? Okay, you're just gonna surprise
scared.
me.
I need to see this.
Okay.
Put your lips in here.
What does it feel like? Bryce's lips have been. I feel like every single appointment now we keep.
There we go. See, it's top down better.
Oh, they got a little pouty.
Did they get a little pouty?
The bottom lip looks amazing.
I was like, can I look in the mirror?
Yeah.
Well, because you gave me a lovely makeover today, we decided to make you over as well.
These are so heavy because
some
I'm
goodies.
with all the new goodies.
Take a peek.
Such a good job.
It's literally like the perfect mix of like makeup, skincare. We know you love glitter, so we got you this Urban Decay.
Yes.
And then I feel like you didn't have a lot of palettes. Remember we kept
didn't.
saying that?
I know.
Well, here you go.
God, I'm so excited.
And then I know you said you loved getting new brushes. Like now we have even more new brushes.
And they're in a travel kit, so you can just put them in your luggage.
That could be the perfect thing if you wanted those to be your travel brushes. They could go in your travel section.
Yes.
There's one more. There you go.
So nice. Thank you guys.
How are you
so
feeling?
much.
You
I
feel good?
Amazing.
Okay, sweaty group hug.
Yeah, sweaty group hug. Should we do it?
Group hug.